welcome to the stay. This is the coffee maker. It can be a little intimidating, but it's actually quite simple. We begin by opening it up. When you go inside, the first thing is you want to make sure that this part is filled with water. So you fill it with water, it already is, and you put it back. Next, you put the milk in here. So you just unscrew the lid. You fill that with milk, and then you screw it back. And then the final part is in the upper right. You want to pull this part out, open it up, and fill that with coffee beans. Now you can do it ground or unground. This is ground in this case. Put it in there. And this is the garbage part. This is the dispense part. When it's done with the beans, you can empty that out eventually. Right now it's okay. And finally we close. When you close that, you can now select what type do you want. So, oh yeah, when we put the cup under here, you can adjust the height. So if you have a big cup, you can put it up here. You know, a smaller cup, you can adjust the height. So I want, let's see, what do I want? I would like a latte macchiato. All right, and I think I want to make it, I want to change this to strong. Too strong. There we go. Great. Now I'm going to press start, and let's see what happens.